Buongiorno, my name is Francesco Viva. Welcome to Alfa Romeo of Albany. I want to show you a jump start of the car. Open the fob, get the key out, and open the door. To release the front hood, open the hood. There's a jump pack. We set up over here. Take plus first. Hook him up in the plus side over here. Take the ground side, the black negative. Put him in the negative side over here. We unlock all the door first, and then open the trunk. Battery is located over here. Pick this up. This is stay in place over here. Remove this little tray, and the battery is located over here. This is the plus side and the negative side over here. We remove this to top. Go get the jumper pack. Okay, it's important when you connect the jumper pack in the battery to not put them any place over here. Seems beautiful to put them on, it's not. It's the wrong side. That's the way you gotta do in the terminal. Anything over here, any terminal over here, just have to put in this terminal, the plus. Nothing over here at all. You don't plug anything over here. Get the plus side, it will come up in this terminal over here. Get the negative side and put them over here, and then you can start the car. Thank you for trusting me in your car. I'll see you soon. Arrivederci. Ciao.